Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put canvas for neck. Start by measuring the neck circumference and desired height, then cut canvas 5 inches larger for seam allowance. Interface the canvas to stabilize the fabric and mark the center front and back. Pin the canvas to the garment along the marked line, baste with a long stitch, then shape with gentle steam and press to set the curve carefully. Gather tools before you begin so the process stays smooth and focused. You will need canvas, fabric scissors, chalk, sewing pins, needle and thread, a basting stitch option, and an iron. Choose canvas weight to match the garment and test on a scrap. Keep measurements and marks precise, and take time to press between steps to maintain shape and avoid puckers. Work in good light, and consider using tailor's chalk. Fit the basted canvas to the neck and check symmetry under natural light. If one side sits higher, adjust by trimming a few millimeters or by easing fabric with small tucks. Use gentle steam and a pressing ham to shape the curve to the neckline. Rebaste if needed, then stitch permanently with a short stitch length and reinforce stress points for durability and clean appearance. Finish edges neatly for a professional look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.